Good morning, friends. Today we discuss regarding Freundlich Isotherm. So the formula is Q equal to Kf into C raised to 1 by n. So you rearrange this equation, you get log Q equal to log Kf plus 1 by n log C. So QE unit will be milligram per gram, and what is QE? QE is the amount of adsorbed per unit mass of adsorbent. Also we can say the adsorption capacity at equilibrium and the amount of metal ion adsorbed at equilibrium time. And C is unit is milligram per liter. The C will be the equilibrium of heavy metal concentration in solution, and also we can call the equilibrium concentration of the adsorbate, and one more is the residual concentration of metal ion in solution. And Kf unit will be milligram per gram, and Kf means the Freundlich constant related to the adsorption capacity of the adsorbent. And also we can say the adsorption or distribution coefficient and represents the quantity of adsorbate adsorbed onto the adsorbent for a unit equilibrium concentration. Here N is the Freundlich constant related to adsorption intensity of the adsorbent, and also one more thing is the heterogeneity coefficient. It is the dimensionless. N is giving an indication of how favorable the adsorption process is. The slope 1 by n is the surface heterogeneity factor ranging between 0 and 1 and is a measure of adsorption intensity or surface heterogeneity. Becoming more heterogeneous as its value gets closer to 0, and steep slope, that is value of 1 by n close to 1, reflects high sorption capacity at high equilibrium concentration, which diminishes rapidly at lower equilibrium concentration. So now we can see here the flat slope, which 1 by n less than 1 represents that the sorption capacity is slightly reduced at lower equilibrium concentration. Value for 1 by n below 1 designates a normal Langmuir isotherm, while 1 by n above 1 is a reflection of cooperative adsorption. 1 by n is less than 1, this is the chemabsorption process. So if you draw a graph log QV versus log C, log C is drawn in X and log QV in Y. So formula will be log QV will be Y equal to 1 by n log C is the slope mx, and plus log Kf, we can say C, that is intercept. So from this graph we can find out slope and intercept value. From that we can find out n and Kf value. The Freundlich isotherm is based on multi-layer adsorption with interaction between adsorbed molecules. The model applies to adsorption onto heterogeneous surfaces with the uniform energy distribution and the reversible adsorption. This relation can be reasonably applied to the low or intermediate concentration ranges. So also we can say the Freundlich model is an empirical equation which encompasses the heterogeneity of the surface or surface sustaining sites of wide ranging affinities. It is based on the exponential distribution of active site and their energies. It is implicit that the stronger binding site are engaged first for sorption, and the binding force decreases with the increasing decrease of site occupation. And one more point, the Freundlich adsorption isotherm model considers a heterogeneous adsorption surface that has unequal available sites with different energies of adsorption. So see here n, the ranges of 1 n value, the ranges of 1 to indicates that adsorption is favorable and physical in nature. If the value near to 10, more heterogeneous on surface. If the value near to 1, it's steep slope. Thank you.